Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the Stature Ppt template and immediately saving a copy. This protects the original. Once done, choose 16:9 or 4, 3 slide size depending on your output device because dimensions affect image scaling. Next, enable grid and guides and set margins to 0. 5 inches so elements align predictably. Now add your title text into the master placeholders. This ensures consistency across slides. Make sure fonts and color palette match the template defaults to avoid later rework. You'll populate the content blocks next. Use the template's header, body, and callout regions so alignment stays uniform. When inserting images, drop them into placeholders. This preserves crop and spacing, and use 150 to 300 dpi files to keep visuals sharp. Once text and visuals are placed, format bullet lists using the template styles. This preserves spacing, indentation, and accessibility tags. As you proceed, apply one simple transition, like fade or push, to maintain a professional rhythm without distracting your audience. You finish by previewing the entire slideshow to confirm aspect ratio, timings, and animations behave as expected. When satisfied, export to PPTX for editing or PDF for distribution. If you used custom fonts, embed fonts on export to avoid substitutions. Finally, save a versioned copy with a timestamp. If a layout breaks, reset the slide layout from the home menu or paste the content into a fresh template copy. This recovers placeholder constraints and fixes misaligned elements quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.